A quick update here, guys, from our live trade room. It is 10 minutes before 11 o'clock Eastern time right now. Just wrapping up the morning session here with all the trial guests this morning. Only had about 4 trades today. Probably could have taken 5 or 6 trades total. As you can see, though, we did a pretty good job at making our money this morning. Looking up here at the trading worksheet. Again, this is the morning session of our live trade room. We'll be here all day. You can see we began on crude selling here. We sold both crude and euro short. Took a little bit of a loss on the crude for the first trade. Slopped out of the trade short. Same trade basically on the euro. They were both the same wave-long failures, right? The same two-step patterns above the previous high of day. So we made money on the second trade. We then bought the crude. Remember, we had just sold the crude. We tried to reverse the trend on crude to go short. That didn't work, so we stayed with the trend and went long. And, of course, 26 ticks was the result there, and that's what ended up making us our money today. The euro is at $12.50 per tick, the crude oil being $10 per tick. We just got bounced out of that Russell wave pattern long. It was a good-looking trade, just collapsed. Took our +5 target, moved the stop to entry -5, got stopped out at entry -5, 4 contracts total, 2 off at 5, 2 off at -5, got the scratch. So as you can see here, when you're adding commissions, just below $500 here for our morning session today. Don't forget the rest of the morning here, guys. The rest of the morning, we've got no more news. We do have important news out of China later on this evening at 9 o'clock. And we do have to remember it is Halloween. It is the first day back after Hurricane Sandy. So we are assuming that, boy, there might just be a few traders out there that might be hitting the exits a little bit early today. It looked like around 10:30 we were done. It looked like we were absolutely toast. So just about $500 in the account of new account equity returns this morning here in the room. We are anticipating releasing our new pattern scanner to our members. Guys, look for an update later on this week on our new pattern scanner. I want to thank all the trial guests for being here today. We wish everybody who's been affected by Hurricane Sandy the absolute best. We'll keep you guys in our hearts and our prayers. And we know that everybody's getting back to work here today and tomorrow. We have had confirmation that the non-farm payroll report is going to be kept at Friday. We had crude inventories pushed back till tomorrow. We did a great job this morning preparing for our news. We tried to really do a good job at being patient, being disciplined. And I'm going to leave this, we'll leave the room open here for the guests a little bit longer. We'll do some questions and answers. As of right now, we're planning on having our brand new pattern scanner released to members by the end of this week, which means we'll be starting the trade room next week at our new London open time at 3 a.m. That new London open time, we'll be trading Forex. We'll be trading most likely markets in Europe, markets in Australia, markets in Asia. We'll see if we can get some U.S. trading going on there too, but look for a little bit of a change in the game plan next Monday. We'll be opening up for the London session start next Monday, most likely. Also, to just be forewarned, with the release of our scanner for all those trial guests out there, we will be dramatically increasing our costs very, very soon. We're going to go ahead and lock in the current cost of membership until Friday. But when you come in on Monday morning, our membership costs will be increasing dramatically. This new pattern scanner will be changing the game. It will. And so we'll be talking more about that next week. Just a forewarning, though, if you've been putting off membership, we got another one of those scheduled price increases. I delayed the scheduled price increase last month to wait for the scanner. And so we'll be releasing that here end of the week this week, and we will be, again, dramatically increasing our cost of membership. I want to thank you guys for coming out and seeing us today here. Great work today so far. We are not done, not by a long shot. We'll be here until 4:30 this afternoon or until these markets are falling asleep this afternoon with our members.